The Ford Mustang Eleanor 4272025 model is a remarkable and iconic car that brings the thrill of performance, style, and innovation to the modern era. For anyone who's a fan of muscle cars or the legendary Eleanor Mustang from the 2000 film Gone in 60 Seconds, the 2025 edition raises the bar to a whole new level. First, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2025 Eleanor Mustang retains that aggressive and timeless look that made the original Eleanor so unforgettable. The body is sculpted with sleek lines and a low, wide stance that demands attention. It features a custom wide body kit, which adds to its aggressive aesthetic while providing improved aerodynamics. The front end is unmistakably Eleanor, with its signature grille and LED headlights that give the car a modern twist while staying true to its roots. The wide fender flares accommodate the upgraded wheels and tires, contributing to both the car's visual appeal and its performance. The 2025 model is painted in the classic silver with black stripes, a nod to the original Eleanor's color scheme, but with a glossy modern finish that really pops under the light. The interior is a perfect mix of classic Mustang spirit and modern technology. The cabin is focused on performance, but doesn't sacrifice luxury. You'll find the iconic three-spoke steering wheel, complete with a sporty, minimalistic design, giving the driver full control and the feel of a true muscle car. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with Eleanor-specific stitching, providing a balance of comfort and support for both city cruising and track days. It features a digital dashboard with a customizable display, allowing drivers to monitor various performance metrics such as G-forces, lap times, and even tire pressures. The infotainment system is top-notch with a large touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. The audio system is a premium setup, designed to ensure that you feel the music as well as the roar of the engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang Eleanor 427 is a beast. It's powered by a 7.0-liter V8 engine, a naturally aspirated monster that produces 500 horsepower and 475 hydrofoot of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering an exhilarating driving experience for purists who want full control over gear selection. But the Eleanor isn't just about power, it's about handling too. The suspension system has been fully upgraded with performance shocks, struts, and a limited-slip rear differential that allows the car to tackle sharp corners with ease. The brakes are Brembo, meaning stopping power is as impressive as the acceleration. The Eleanor can go from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4 seconds, and thanks to a finely tuned exhaust system, it produces an aggressive growl that makes every drive feel like an event. As for technology, the 2025 Eleanor is equipped with an advanced driver assistance system. It includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance, all designed to make the car safer to drive on the road while still retaining that raw, untamed feeling behind the wheel. The combination of modern tech with old-school muscle car charm is what makes the Eleanor stand out from the crowd. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Ford Mustang Eleanor 427 is positioned in the luxury performance car segment. Given its exclusivity and the level of craftsmanship that goes into building each unit, the starting price is expected to be around $150,000. This includes all the premium features, the custom design, and, of course, the performance upgrades that make the Eleanor a true standout. There will also be limited edition models that could push the price higher depending on the level of customization chosen. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Mustang Eleanor 427 is a perfect blend of nostalgia, modern technology, and mind-blowing performance. For collectors, car enthusiasts, or anyone who appreciates the Mustang's legacy, this model delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tearing up a racetrack, the Eleanor will make sure every drive is a thrilling one. If you're in the market for a car that combines stunning looks, unrivaled performance, and cutting-edge features, the 2025 Mustang Eleanor 427 is definitely one to consider.